Ljungstedt Gymnasium in Linköping is one of the largest schools in Sweden. The gymnasium has a large sports hall, which after many years of use is showing strong signs of wear and tear. The city decided to renovate the floor to make it look like new again, as well as safe for users and easy to clean. It therefore teamed up with the Dr. Schutz Groupfrom Germany, the world's leading supplier of sports floor renovation systems.
When choosing us, they were interested in we could do it fast, it was with less cost, and we have a solution that is good for the environment, and we do it in a simple way compared to stripping and replacing it with a new one.
Replacing sports floors is often not an option, as it is too expensive and requires the sports hall to be shut down for many weeks. The great advantage of the Dr. Schutz system is that the floor is not torn out, but renovated on site. This means that the sports hall does not need to be shut down for a long period of time.
In this hall we have school and also a lot of sports clubs having their sports activities, and they're using the hall about 10 to 15 hours a day. Not having a sports hall for a longer time is not an option for our tenant. The cost of this method is about 25% of a brand new floor, and that's a good investment for Lejonfastigheter. We have already tried this method in a smaller hall, and we are very pleased with the result.